Good day to you and welcome to another tutorial from Trust. In this brief tutorial, I'm going to show you how to embed a TikTok video on your WordPress site. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. First off, what you need to do is to go to TikTok and locate whatever video you want to upload, and essentially you just need the link for the video. So I'm going to right click and I'll just open this video in a new tab, and this is the video currently playing. So what I'll do is I'll just copy the link of the video here. So I'll right click and copy. Well, I could have easily right click on this video and say copy link address. That's the same thing as opening this video and copying this link address. Okay, so I'm going to go to my post and I'll open up this edit test post. And essentially, well, I have the classic editor for WordPress because I prefer it to the Gutenberg editor. Okay, but it's the same process if you are using the Gutenberg editor or whatever kind of editor you use. Essentially, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just paste that link in here. So Control V and give it a few seconds. And essentially what happens is that WordPress will process that link and display the video for that link. So I'll go ahead and update this post and I will refresh the page. Okay, and I would open up the posts. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to scroll down now and here's our video. So essentially you can also add a TikTok video to like your widget here. It's the same process. All you need to do first is to come to your dashboard, go to appearance and click on widgets. Okay, so this is the widgets we have. So I'm going to go ahead and search for text. So text, so this is the text widget and I'm going to set it to the main sidebar and I'm going to add it to the main sidebar. Okay, so we have the text widget right here. Now what I'll do essentially is just I'm going to paste that link and click on save. Okay, and let's go to the page and refresh this page, and what will happen is that that video will be displayed on the sidebar. So let's scroll down and here's our video on the sidebar. Now supposing you wanted to display, let's say, all the video on your TikTok account on, let's say, a dedicated WordPress page, then there's a way you can do that as well. But what you will need to do is to come to the back end of your website and add a plugin. So over on plugins and click on add new. Okay, so what we do next is we are going to search for TikTok. Okay, so the very first plugin that comes up by Quad Layers. So I'll go ahead and install this plugin. And then let's activate it. Okay, so the plugin is activated. Now on the left menu bar somewhere we should see TikTok feed. Okay, so this is the TikTok feed here. So essentially I'll just go and click on feeds, and as you can see there is a default TikTok field here, but you can also create your feed. So let's go ahead and click on this plus feed button and see what happens. So this is the settings for creating a feed. Essentially we can create a feed from a hashtag or a username. So if you wanted to create a feed, or if you wanted to embed the videos on your particular account, then you may want to go with the username options, and then you will need to add in your username. But then I'll just leave it as feed. Okay, so this is the hashtag, default hashtag, but you can change it to whatever you want. It can be hashtag comedy or hashtag whatever, and then you can choose the different layouts, okay, and also there is the number of videos and number of columns, okay. So we can leave this as it is, and then there are other settings here that you can actually go through. There's the video settings that shows us some of the effects and the settings for our video, settings like controls, autoplay and stuffs, but generally I'll just leave the defaults, okay. And then there's even the button setting. In other words, you can display the button to open your video in TikTok, okay, to encourage your users to open your video on the TikTok app, okay. So I'll just go ahead and maybe change this to something else. I'll say programming, and then I'm going to save it. So essentially we've created a feed, okay. So there are like 12,900 videos with this hashtag. So essentially what I got to do is I'm going to copy this feed, and I will just say I would edit this page, this post rather, it's a post, and I'll come to WordPress editor. I didn't know I was out of WordPress editor. So what I'll do is I'm going to select and paste in just that feed, and then I would update the page, I think. Okay, so now let me view this page in a new tab and see how it displays. So as you can see, the page is loading, and these are the videos under the hashtag programming, okay. So there is the view on TikTok button, okay, that your users can click, and then it opens up the app on their mobile phones. So essentially that's how you can embed TikTok on your website. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and support me. See you in another video.